Hi kids, this is I Motivate for Kids. On this channel, we motivate kids to do better at home, school, and everywhere. Today we have our helper James and he's going to help us unbox another Ryan's World toy. What toy do we have today, James?
Today we have the superhero Ryan Yellow Suit, also known as the Ryan Special Delivery. These are the characters we could collect. We actually didn't get everything. We got Yellow Suit Ryan.
Awesome, so let's open it up.
Let's open it up. Wow, this is nice.
Good stuff. So it just has Ryan as a superhero.
Yeah, Ryan is the superhero though.
Okay, that's awesome. So children, today's Anthony Robbins quote says the only impossible journey is the one you never begin. So all we're saying, on this channel we say it's not impossible because I'm unstoppable. So if you want to be able to do things, if you want to do things that are possible, you always have to start the journey. If you don't start the journey, then that is when it's impossible. But once you start it, once you start your project, once you start your school assignment, once you start that whatever it is you want to do, as long as you start and you keep going on, it is possible. If you learned something today, please share this video with your friends and family. Like and subscribe to our channel to get more quotes and more Ryan's Toys reviews. Like we always say on this channel, it's not impossible because I'm unstoppable. It's not impossible because I'm unstoppable. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.